with 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of powdered milk, and a teaspoon of food color. Gamit natin dito yung orange. Then, i-mix lang natin siya together. Guys, this is for our Choco Butternut Munchkins coating. So, gagawa tayo ng sariling version natin ng pang-coat sa ating Choco Butternut Munchkins. So, guys, kung napapansin nyo, hindi ko pa na-achieve yung pagka-orange na gusto ko. So, this is very light. Kaya mag-a-add tayo ng another teaspoon ng food color. So, yung most common recipe nito, guys, is meron siyang nutmeg powder. And yung iba, gumagamit sila ng grated coconut. Yan yung nabibili na sa groceries. Itutuloy lang natin yung paghalo dito, guys, hanggang sa ma-meet na natin yung kulay na gusto natin. So, for me, ito is okay na. If you want more darker, you can always add food color. And let's proceed to the recipe of the chocolate glaze. So I have here semi-sweet Hershey's chocolate chips. Lalagay ako dito ng about 1/3 cup. But this recipe is only for 11 pieces. So kung gusto nyo po na mas marami, you can always double the recipe. Then mag-add din tayo dito ng 3 tablespoons of fresh milk. Then, ima-microwave lang natin to ng 20 seconds para mag-melt yung ating chocolate chips. After 20 seconds, imi-mix lang natin to hanggang tuluyang mag-combine yung ating dalawang ingredients. So, i-mix lang natin to, guys. Sa una, medyo mukha siyang trash. Pero, keep on mixing it until ma-meet natin yung shiny choco glaze na gusto natin. So, ito, shiny na siya and looks promising, right? Proceed naman tayo sa cake. Dito, meron akong sinave na chocolate cake. Ito yung pinagtabasan ko ng top ng cake para maging even yung cake. And then, by the way, if you wanted to check that recipe, just click the information on top. So, dudurugin lang natin tong cake at bubula-bulahin natin siya mamaya. So, para mas madali, gagamitin natin ang ating mahiwagang kamay pandurog. So, kung namumroblema kayo kung wala kayong oven, don't worry, guys. Meron tayong solusyon dyan. Hindi ko kayo ibibili ng oven, guys, no? Sasuggest ko lang yung tip na napanood ko rin. Pwede kayong gumamit dito ng chocolate cupcake or a fudgy bar or any other chocolate muffin or whatever. Pwede po yun. Ngayon naman, gagamitan natin siya ng 1/4 measuring cup para pantay-pantay yung size ng ating donut. At sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa paggawa ng recipe na to dahil sobrang dali lang siyang gawin. So kung napapansin nyo, ito, sobrang simple ng way ng pagbibilog ng ating munchkins. At itutuloy lang natin to hanggang sa maubos yung nasa plate. So, pwede nyo tong gawing negosyo. Pwede siyang pang-impress sa children's birthday party. Pwede nyo rin siyang gawin sa inyong mga chikiting. Same process lang po ng ating chocolate balls or munchkins. Then, papalitan lang natin yung coating. So, pwede nyo siyang i-dip sa powdered sugar or pwede rin kayo maglagay ng rainbow sprinkles or kung ano pang gusto nyong idagdag na toppings or pang-coat sa ating munchkins para iba-iba lang siya. Kagaya niyan, di ba? So, na-prepare na natin yung chocolate balls. Ngayon naman, didip na natin siya sa ating chocolate glaze at saka natin siya i-coat ulit ng ginawa nating sariling version ng butternut na wala namang nut. Sa chocolate glaze naman, pwede rin natin siyang i-hack, guys. So, para hindi kayo mapagastos, kung walang chocolate chip, pwede po kayong gumamit ng Milo or Ovaltine or something na chocolate powder para ma-achieve nyo lang po yung chocolate glaze na yan. So, just eyeball it. Like, trust yourself. Kayang-kaya nyo yan, guys. Pag gusto, laging may paraan. At itutuloy ko lang uli yung process na ito hanggang sa ma-coat na natin silang lahat. And ito yung pinaka-kinikrave ko na talaga na donut talaga na favorite ko sa Munchkins. Sa lahat ng flavor ng Munchkins, ito talaga siya. And finally, I had the guts to do it by myself. So I think it's time for me to say goodbye to Dunkin' Donuts. I'm sorry to let you go, but I can make my own donuts now. Another thing too na gustong-gusto ko pa sa flavor ng Dunkin' Donuts is the Bavarian. So, I'm thinking to do that recipe next. And since matagal tong ginagawa ko, shout out ko lang yung aking very special friend na si Immigrant Coder. And thank you na rin po sa team family. Thank you sa lahat na nandito. And thank you, and thank you. And we're done. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. God bless everyone. This is Joy's Kitchen and Pastries, saying if there's no joy, there's no life. So just enjoy life. Aww.